Hey! Welcome to the Crafted by Kids YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll be sharing crafts that you can make at home. Today, we'll be making yarn tassel necklaces. You'll need scissors and 2 different colors of yarn. First, we're going to take our yarn and unwind about a foot or 2. You're going to have to unwind more along the way, but I like to start out with just about that much. Then we're going to measure out the length of the tassel. I want mine to be about this long. You're going to loop that around your finger. Then you're going to continue looping yarn around your finger the same length as that beginning strand was. This is about how thick I want it to be, so I'm going to use my scissors and cut the end. Next, we're going to grab our yarn and cut just about 2 or 3 inches off. And we're going to use that to tie around this. That'll be the top of the tassel. So make it however big you want the top to be. Then you're going to tie that in a knot. Now, you're going to cut the excess string off so it's not hanging out everywhere. Then you're going to take another 2-inch, 3-inch piece of yarn and loop it through this hole, the top. Oops. You're going to tie that so that'll keep all those holes together. Make sure you don't tie it too tight or else it'll squeeze the holes, but just about. Then you're going to cut the excess string off. Now you have the top of your tassel. But we need to fix this. Now sometimes they get a little bit uneven, but that's okay because in the end you end up cutting them off. So next, some people like to cut like this, but sometimes I don't find that method very nice because they end up all uneven. So what I do is I just cut off the ends completely. Like that. And there's your tassel. But we're going to be making a necklace, so we're going to add a little bit more embellishments. You can trim it if you see it's not even. There we go. So next, you can grab the same color. I like to use a different color to give it some pizzazz. I'm going to be using purple. And you're going to unwind a bit. And like the past, you're going to keep unwinding, but just not as much. And this is going to add some color to this middle strand, this tie right here. So leave enough to tie a knot. Don't wrap it all around. And then you're just gonna hold that down with your thumb. And use purple to just wrap around the middle. And as you can see while I'm wrapping around, this is just hanging out because we're going to need that. After you've got it about as thick as you want it to be, cut it, but don't cut it too close because you're going to need to tie a knot. And that's when this extra strand comes in handy. You're just going to tie these 2 together to hold that purple in place. Then, like always, you're going to cut off the excess string. And that's the middle. Next, you're gonna grab another color. I like to use the same as I did for the middle, so I'm going to use purple again. And this is just gonna be the necklace part, so cut however long you think you want your necklace to be. Then you're simply going to loop that through this hole and tie the ends. Cut off the excess string, and there you go. Cute tassel necklace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to receive more awesome crafts every day of the week. Bye!